Solve the equation 2ln of x plus 1 is equal to ln of x plus 2 for x belonging to the set of real numbers. So we've got to solve 2ln of x plus 1 is equal to x plus 2. So we've got to try and apply some of the rules of logarithms to this. And the easiest one to apply is we've got 2 in front, and we know that r log a of x means log a of x to the r, so we can move that 2 up here. So we've got ln of x plus 1 squared is equal to ln of x plus 2. Right, now because we've got ln on both sides, x plus 1 all squared has to be equal to x plus 2. So we've got x plus 1 all squared is equal to x plus 2. If we now expand this, we're going to get x squared plus 2x plus 1 is equal to x plus 2. So this is a quadratic, we should put it equal to 0. So taking x, so x squared, taking x from 2x gives me x, and taking 2 from 1 gives me minus 1 is equal to 0. Now this quadratic doesn't factorize, so we have to use the quadratic formula. You should know the quadratic formula is x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So there's the formula minus b plus or minus b squared minus 4a over 2a, and then underneath this you can write down ax squared plus bx plus c. So a will be 1, b will be 1, and c will be minus 1. So substituting in, we're going to have that x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus the square root of 1 squared minus 4, and use brackets here, times a, which is 1, times c, which is minus 1, all over 2 times a, so it's 2 times 1. So it's going to be minus 1 plus or minus, this is going to be square root of 1. Now minus 4 times 1 times minus 1 makes plus 4 over 2. So that comes down to being x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root 5 over 2. These are the two solutions. Now we need to check they actually work in the original equation. But if you check x is equal to minus 1 minus root 5 over 2, its value is less than minus 1. You can't have a logarithm less 0 or less. So therefore that is not a solution. You cannot put it into there. It will give a sort of a math error if you do it on your calculator. So therefore that's not a solution, and therefore there's only one solution, which is x is equal to minus 1 plus root 5 over 2, or the numerical equivalent with that worked out using your calculator is 0.725. So this has been a video to show you how to solve a logarithmic equation leading to a quadratic and using the quadratic formula. I hope you understand, and I thank you very much for watching.